Hey everybody, and welcome to Tahiti Village. We're here in Las Vegas, and this is our room. Actually, that is too. But this is Tahiti Village, and I'm going to show you what our condo looks like. Hold on. And apparently my key isn't working. There we go. So, this is our Royal Tahitian. So we have a full kitchen. Beautiful woman, does not come with the actual plate. She came with me. And there's our washer and dryer. It's our living area, dining room. This should look completely different next year. This is our view. We are on the 6th floor, which is cool. And so there's our patio. It's decent size. I can't. Oh wait, there we go. I can do that. There. So that's our patio. This is Vicky's pool. My wife's pool is what she calls it. There's your white sand beach. It's pretty cool. All the way into the water. So yeah, Tahiti Village, Las Vegas. Pool's awesome. The lazy river, that's Tower 5. That's actually 10 stories high. We're only 6. The lazy river is on the back side of that corner right there. But we usually stick around the pool. There's your tiki bar. And so on and so forth. So again, patio. It's decent size. You can get 8 people out there. And again, the living room, dining area, entertainment area. This is the cool thing. There's your washer and dryer. The bedroom. Oh, they put a new TV in here too. Again, this will all be changed next year, hopefully, but it's cool. I know they post these things on Facebook a lot, and this is a view from our bedroom. So, come out and stay for 3 nights and 4 days. But here comes the kicker. I love this part. This is Vicky's favorite, right there. 2-person spa tub or jacuzzi tub. And then we've got the vanity with the Jack and Jill's. And my favorite, the steam shower. This thing is the bomb. So, that's only half. There's more. So this side is considered the Bora. This side is considered the Maria. And we own them both. So, you open the doors and you have what's called the Royal. So, this is the smaller side with the kitchenette. Smaller living area. Still pretty nice. And then just a regular shower and bathtub. And then the second bedroom. So it's nice. And then let's see what the view is out of this one. Oh, it's actually pretty nice. I remember when we first came, none of these trees here were any bigger than that one right there, probably. So, but yeah, this is Tahiti Village, Las Vegas. And this is the Royal Tahitian setup all the way. From bedroom, second bedroom, second bathroom, second living and dining combination area with the kitchenette, separate entry if you want for privacy, obviously. Just close the door. And there you go. There's your tour of Tahiti Village. Either side you want, we got them both. And That's it. So I'm gonna let my wife unpack because she's got her own way of doing things. You know how that works. And we're gonna spend the next 8 days in Tahiti. Bye.